face looks so sunburned, it's disgusting. Like, I want to record a video, but like, it looks ugly.
Damn, Sabrina.
Okay, so we just landed in Cusco. Mom, say hi. Hi. Gracias. Oh, my sunburn is still really bad. It's gonna be pretty cloudy here, so hopefully it won't get worse. So we've just checked into our hotel in Cusco and the view is just absolutely stunning. And the room is really cute. And now today we're gonna go explore the city and then book some tours for the rest of the time that we're here.
On the way to here I almost tried to reach you on the phone. Hurry up, we have to take a ride. Leave it all alone. 'Cause I don't know how much time we have to get away. But I'll promise you everything will be okay. That's the runaway life. That's the runaway life. Whoa, that's the runaway life. Whoa, that's the runaway life. They wanna catch us 'cause we have something that
We're currently in the Sacred Valley. This is the first town that we stopped in and I don't remember the name of it. My sunburn is still here. My face is peeling, but it's better, and you know, as you can see, there's no sun, so hopefully in like the next few days it will go away completely and I can fully enjoy my trip. But now my mom is shopping and yeah, this is our first stop. We have like quite a long day ahead of us. Mom, tell everyone what you bought.
Did you love my scarf?
Sacred Valley and the weather's actually really nice. It's not raining so much today and my face was really swollen this morning from the altitude sickness, but now it's gone down a bit. How are you feeling with the altitude sickness?
Not too bad.
It's a bit hard to breathe, but not terrible, and my headache went away, so muy bien.
Girasol, perdiste el interés por todo a tu alrededor. Me voy a la ciudad, me voy a la ciudad, voy persiguiendo la luz.
just finished hiking some more ruins that I can't pronounce the name of. I'll put the text somewhere on the screen. And it started raining. How are you feeling? Okay. Okay. She doesn't know how to vlog. But now we're headed back to another town towards Cusco. So we are back from today's tour and I am going to get a manicure because my nails are fucked and I need one desperately. So I'm hoping that this place will take me with no appointment and that they can do acrylic nails. I don't know, I'm being bougie, but we'll see. Okay. After like going to 3 or 4 different places, I finally found one. Got my nails done. Oh my god, I'm so out of breath. The altitude is killing me. It's not the best manicure that I've ever gotten. They didn't have like the power tools, but she did what she needed to do. She got it done. I feel back on my bullshit and I'm ready.
Damn, Sabrina.